So today we are going to discuss about propositional logic in artificial intelligence. Before that, in the last class, before vacation, what we discussed about the logical agent. Okay, so in we can go ahead on one part stage, so we can go up one stage. So this we are going to discuss about propositional logic in artificial intelligence. That is a part of the logical agent. Okay, so now logical agent how can understand the real world. Okay, that is the main objective to prepositional logic. Okay, so these things already studied in discrete mathematics. Okay, so these things are not new. I hope you some concept you have remember that one, but some maybe something you can forget, but these things are very important for propositional logic. As a computer science engineer, discrete mathematics is very important. Basically graph and propositional logic, all the real world we can perform the operation on basis of these things. Okay, so today topic about prepositional logic. Okay, prepositional logic. Okay, so this is the topic, the prepositional logic. So what is the meaning of that one? So we can say that the meaning of propositional logic is we can create a logic. That means we can say that that logic will be true or false. So there is a possibility this logic may be true or maybe false. Okay, so we create, so we can all think through prepositional logic we also perceive that the relationship. Okay, the that is the relationship. Okay, relationship, is it true or is it false? Now, so this relationship is a very dangerous relationship. So we can always struggle in daily life. Okay, we always struggle with the daily life, that is a relationship. So this logic, prepositional logic, that is the meaning of logic. So the logic, that means I'm talking about, so what I'm talking about, semantic. I'm talking about the semantic, and here we can use the syntax also. Okay, so both here we can understand the relationship and logic with the help of semantic and syntax. And what is the meaning of the syntax? That is the logical arrangement of word. So we can study in the logical and sentence. Okay, these are the sentence, and sentence can contain semantic and syntax both. Okay, and upon the sentence we can apply the propositional logic to get a relationship, to get a valid output, to get a optimal result. Is it clear? So that is the use of the propositional logic in a AI system. Okay, so propositional logic may be something like it is raining today. Now, I'm talking about the sentence. So it may be like it is raining today. So this is the one sentence, and we can understand this is a true or false. Our objective is this is true or false. So this is type of propositional logic, the simple one. So it may be like that one: 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is true or not. Okay, how computer can understand, logical agent can understand this 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 or not. So these things, how can understand the machine? So we can use this one, prepositional logic. We can use this propositional logic. Okay, this we are going to use. Okay, so now, so we can go for, so now propositional logic can be represented as a Boolean function, sometimes 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 is referred as a true, and this is referred as a false. Okay, this is referred as a true, this is referred as a false. So that means propositional logic, maybe some basic concept we can follow, so 0 and 1. Okay, that is called the Boolean. Okay, this is called a Boolean. So whatever you think that is important, we can note down. Okay, no problem. Now see, so these things are there. Okay, now same, we can represent a propositional logic or sentence or relationship in the form of symbol. Now suppose I am writing 4 is even number. Suppose I am writing 4 is even number, so it can be represented as a symbol as a P. So now P P indicate 4 is a even number. So now this one, this whole thing, this whole sentence can be converted into the symbol. So this is called as a symbol. Okay, so this is represented as a symbol also. That means propositional logic can also represent as a symbol, as also like a B, C, P, Q, or etc. It may be anything. Okay, so these things are there, so we can represent. Okay, now prepositional logic consists of, so it consists of now, so what prepositional logic consists, that means what prepositional logic contain. So that is our aim. Okay, now see, so propositional logic consists of, so I'm writing only consist of what it contain, object, it contain object, it contain relation, it contain relation, uh, it contain function, or it contain logical connectivity. Logical connectivity. Okay. So whatever I am writing, is it a readable format? आप लोग पढ़ पा रहे हो कि नहीं, या विजिबल नहीं है? प्लीज रिप्लाई. सो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. आप लोग पढ़ पा रहे हो कि नहीं, जो मैं लिख पा रहा हूँ या जो भी लिख रहा हूँ मैं, मेरी राइटिंग, या एनीवन? या हर्ष, जय, जेनिस, नैन्सी, निधि, जो मैं लिख पा रहा हूँ वो आप पढ़ पा रहे हो कि नहीं, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, थैंक यू. So that means propositional logic can contain object, relation, and function and logical connectivity. So later on we can discuss about what is the logical connectivity. Don't worry, we can discuss. So logical connectivity. So here we can also use the operators like plus, minus, multiplication, modulo operator. Okay, like okay. So these things are we are going to use. So the syntax of proposition logic, basically two syntax of proposition logic we are going to discuss. The syntax, we can say that. Okay, so I'm going to write syntax. These things are very important. Syntax of propositional logic. Okay, the syntax of propositional logic. First one is called as a atomic preposition. Okay, atomic preposition. And second one is called as a compound. Second one is called as a compound proposition. Okay, so what is the meaning of atomic? The atomic, that is a single part. Just means अगर आप बोल सकते हो कोई single part हो, that means a simple sentence. It is raining. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is called the atomic preposition. Okay, so that means atomic proposition as a simple proposition. So it consists of the single proposition symbols. The single proposition. So what we have to write? So you write like 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, like this type of comment is called as a atomic preposition. Now the meaning of the compound proposition, so we can add two simple atomic proposition is called a compound sentence. Now we can say that. So what is the how to represent compound proposition? That is important. Suppose I'm writing today is Friday. Today is Friday and it's raining. Okay, मतलब आज फ्राइडे है और बारिश हो रही है. So today is a Friday and it's raining. So that is the compound sentence. Now see, so this is the one simple atomic structure. So this is the one simple atomic, and this is the one simple it is raining is also one atomic. So these two combined atomic sentence then form the compound proposition. Okay, So now when we're talking about the object and the function, here we can understand the object may be a today. Okay, this is the Friday. Okay, this is the raining. These all are the object. Okay, so that is the background information we can feed inside the computer system. What are the object? And on the basis of computer will we take decision. Okay, so that is our purpose, the propositional logic. We can find out all the things. So these are the compound sentence. Now, so logical connectivity. So this is the very important among all this one. So this is a very important logical connectivity. Okay, this logical connectivity is a very important. So how the logical connectivity will be performed on the given sentence. Okay, so एनीवन डाउट? अब तक किसी को डाउट है जो भी मैंने अभी कहानी सुनाई आप लोग को? सो एनीवन डाउट रिगार्डिंग टिल? या प्लीज रिप्लाई कि व्हाट इज प्रोपोजिशनल लॉजिक, व्हाट इट कंसिस्ट एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंटैक्स, एटॉमिक प्रोपोजिशन एंड कंपाउंड प्रोपोजिशन. एनीवन डाउट अप टू दिस? या प्लीज रिप्लाई. ओके, नाउ सी. So now we can go for the next one. So logical connectivity. So already discussed. Sorry, you already study in I think discrete mathematics. Which semester DM is your? आप लोगों ने DM पढ़ा होगा ना? कौन से सेमेस्टर में था आपका DM? Discrete mathematics. I'm talking about DM. Like this subject, DM. Not a DBMS database, not a DBMS. That is a discrete mathematics. Did you study or not? यार या तो कौन से सेमेस्टर में आपने पढ़ा था? मुझे वो जानना है. 5th, 3rd, 4th, 6th में तो आपने पढ़ा नहीं होगा मेरे ख्याल से. 4th या so अगर वो चीजें आपको रिकॉल हैं, so we are going to discuss about that is the connectivity. Now, so first one, the simplest one we are going to discuss about negation. So these are the logical connectivity. So negation. Okay, so it can be represented as a like this one, negation. Suppose I am going to represent suppose I am going to represent one quantity like a p of x. This is the one function. X is a function. I am writing it is raining. I am writing it is raining. Okay, suppose I am negation. I am going to put negation of px. So that means it is not raining. Okay, so these are the logical connectivity. These are the logical connectivity. Okay, these are the logical connectivity. So this negation is the first element we can use in the propositional logic. That means negation. So whatever you can use, suppose p is a true. Okay, suppose I can use negation of p. That means false. Okay, that means false. Now this is the one. Then second one, discuss about conjunction. Conjunction, that means we are talking about intersection. So both having common. Suppose I can take p intersection q. Okay, so these are the part of conjunction. It contain both sides. Okay, it contain both sides. So we can write suppose p is suppose I am going to define one sentence for p. Now see how to write. So I am going to define one sentence P and one sentence Q. So I am going to define P. Suppose Ankit is a good boy. Okay, sorry. Ankit is a good boy. And again I am going writing Ankit is intelligent. Okay, now see here. So both, this is the common. Which one is the intelligent good boy? So Ankit, and here is a Ankit. So that is the common. conjunction P intersection Q. So I'm talking about only one entity that is a common. So what is the common? Ankit. That object here. Object is here. Object is Ankit. Okay. Now what is the function here defined? That means the X value is element of good and intelligent. These are the function elements. Okay. And these are the boy. Sorry, this object is a boy also. This is an object. Now the function is a good and intelligent and object is a Ankit and boy. So Ankit एक लड़का है जो intelligent है. So both having common. So Ankit. So I'm talking about the conjunction part. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear or not? The meaning of conjunction. So this is a very simplest representation. Okay, so we can go for step by step very complicated questions. Okay, don't worry. So now after conjunction, I'm going to discuss about third one, disjunction. So as you know, this is a very simple one. Disjunction, that means I'm talking about union. So whatever, suppose I'm talking about like this one, P union Q. So whatever the element of P and Q just combined without repetition. Okay, हमें repeat नहीं करना है चीजों को, बस called कर देना है, union कर देना है, attach कर देना है. So when I represent this one, so what is the meaning of union? So suppose this one is a Venn diagram, I can represent this one. So this is the part. This is the part, okay, represent as a, what I represent? Suppose this is the P, this is the Q, so that represent P intersection Q, okay. Now, suppose this Venn diagram I can represent this one and this one. So this again element is a P, this element is a Q. So this whole part is a called as a union, including common. So this whole part is represented as a P union Q. Okay, so these are the Venn diagram. That is a logical representation. Okay, graphical, logical representation. That is called the conceptual graph. Okay, these are called the conceptual graph. Are you up to this one clear or not? Please reply. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं कुछ? So मैंने ऐसी कोई चीज ऐसी डिस्कस नहीं की जो आपने पहले से पढ़ी ना हो. ये सारी चीजें पहले की हैं. So 17 people are present. Okay. ठीक है. So इसके बाद हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So we will discuss about implication. Now here very important, implications and bidirectional conditions. Okay, because most of the questions we can discuss about in the favor of implication, then biconditional, then inference. Okay, so inference we discuss about 2 and 3 formula, then we can go for how these questions will be performed. Okay, this is a very important. So using this logical connectivity we perform the task. That means why these things are reading. देखिए इन सब चीजों को पढ़ने के पीछे रीजन क्या है? The machine will be act as a logical. हमें मशीन को ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह लॉजिकल थिंक करना है. तो हाउ मशीन विल बी इंटरसेप्ट दिस इज द राइट और दिस इज द रॉन्ग. ओके, this is the rainy day or this is the dry day. Okay, so how machine will be understand? So that wise we can learn all the things. Okay, so we can use here function, we can use here relation, we can use here probability, all the things we can use in a logical agent. Okay, oh chalo. So the next one, the logical I'm talking about. So logical fourth one is called as a implication. Implication. Okay, so very important. So what is the here the two quantities, a sentence such that, so implication, so P implies Q, so that indicate that symbol is called as a implication, is called as a implication. Okay, implication, that arrow. Okay, sentence implies. So what is the meaning of that implication? If then. Okay, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, if you understand, so it is can it understand if then. अगर ये है तो then this one. So then rule. If then I'm talking about rule. Okay, so this is very important. If then. Okay, so this one. If P is something, then Q will be maybe this one, maybe not this one. Okay, now see, suppose I am writing, if it is raining, okay, then today is Monday. Suppose I am writing, now see, if it is raining today, then I'm going to write today is Monday. Today is Monday. Now see, first one, if it is raining day, it is raining today. Okay, that means it implies P. And today is a Monday. Suppose this is taking Q. So now, if today is morning is raining, then we can imply as a today. Now, if today is raining day, raining today, then today is a Monday. So if then, is it clear? That is the implication of that. Now, so understand how this will be true, how this will be false. So I'm talking about the logically, like a true false statements. So how this conclusion will be concluded. So we know, so how, that is important, very important. Okay, among all the discussion, implication is very important. Suppose this one, I'm talking about the truth table. So I'm going to create a truth table. Okay, so here I'm writing P, here I'm writing Q, and here I'm writing P implication Q. If then, okay. So as you know, these are the Boolean. So I'm going to take the Boolean. So maybe this will be true, false. I'm going to take this one, false. So these things are very older one, you know, familiar. So I'm going to start true, false, true, false. Now see, so very important. When this condition will be true, so when talking about true, so it gives true or false. That is very important. When it gives true, so it gives true. Both true and false, it gives false. False true, it gives true. False, it gives true. That means we can understand the implication part in one scenario. When P is a true and Q is a false, then automatically your implication gives true. Okay, so इससे हमें ये आपको ट्रुथ टेबल पता होना चाहिए. In which scenario implication will be wrong? So only one scenario we can say that where implication is a wrong. So this one. Apart from that, the implication is a true, whatever the value. So now see, suppose it is a raining today, it is not a Monday. So what will be gives the final result? False. So this one is the true and this one is a false, it gives false result. Then what is the inference? That means आज Monday नहीं है, इस बात की गारंटी हो गई using this truth table. अगर मान लो हम लिखते हैं कि today is not raining, so this is false and this is the Monday, तो हम बात कर सकते हैं कि आज बारिश नहीं हो रही है, but today is a Monday, so that is guaranteed today is a Monday. Okay, is it clear? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Yeah, please reply. Did you understand the implication? Yeah, anyone? बहुत सिंपल है. या रिया, हर्ष, एमी, तीर्थ, सृष्टि. ओके, बस एक ही बंदे को समझ में आ रहा है, बाकी लोग सो रहे हैं क्या? ओके, चलिए. सो ये सब चीजें हैं implications की. So that is the way we can use the implication in AI. Okay, so now I'm talking about the last one, that means bidirectional. So if you want to note down, then note down. If you are interested to note down this content are very important for you, then note down. If not, thinking that this is not important, that is a garbage, so left it, no problem. Okay, क्योंकि रियल वर्ल्ड में गार्बेज का आज के टाइम में कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, बट इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ वैल्यू, सो गार्बेज से भी आप वैल्यू बना सकते हो. सो अप टू यू. No problem. Chalo. So next one, I'm going to discuss about bidirectional. So these are the logical connectivity. Now, whatever I'm discussing, these are the logical connectivity. So in the logical connectivity, you can discuss about first one negation, then conjunction, then disjunction, then fourth one implication, and the last one bidirectional. That means the biconditional, you can say that. So I'm going to discuss about the biconditional. So fifth one, biconditional. Okay, so biconditional we can represent P like this one. Okay, so now this line is represented as a biconditional. And what is the meaning? English meaning, that means the sentence, what we can call that, the sentence is that if then this one, if else, like if this one, if I am breathing then I am alive. Okay, so biconditional direction we can say that if and only if. Okay, so we can understand if and only if. Okay, if and only if, यही हो सकता है, इसके अलावा नहीं हो सकता. That is the meaning. So how can understand? Now see, the truth table is very important. So I'm going to draw the truth table. So this one. So very easy. P, Q, P to Q. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now sorry. Okay. So now I'm going to fill up this one. True, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Now see. Uh, is it true in all condition? It is true in all condition except these two. Now see. So these are very important. Now, okay, that means biconditional gives true in both condition. If true, true, then true. If both false, false, then false. Otherwise, true, false, it gives false condition. So that is a simplest one. Suppose I am writing, I am alive, because suppose I am alive, then I am eating something. So both are true. अगर मैं जिंदा हूं तभी मैं खाना खा रहा हूं, तभी ये ट्रू होगा. So that means inference. I am talking about the logical. आप समझ क्या पा रहे हो? Now, so why I am discussing about all this condition? That is logical connectivity. So this diagram is very important. Okay, these are the very VVI. This one and this one. Most of the questions comes inside this one. Okay, only these two. So don't be confused. यही आपसे मैक्सिमम टाइम में पूछेगा. And people are very confused regarding all the things. Okay. Now see. So if both condition are true, then only we can give the truest statement. Otherwise, it gives false. Now see, when implication will be false, then if true and false condition, that is false for the implication, that is implication. And for the true, false or false, true, it is the false. आपको यही चीज याद रखनी है. अगर मान लो कि बाई कंडीशनल के लिए आपको बस यही याद रखना है कि वो किस कंडीशन में ट्रू होगा, जब बोथ स्टेटमेंट विल बी सेम, दैट मींस ट्रू. हियर सेम का मतलब क्या होता है? नाउ व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम, दैट मींस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बोथ आर द ट्रू और बोथ आर द फॉल्स. बोथ. ओके, सपोज मैं सेम बोल रहा हूं इन लॉजिकल एंडजेंट, दैट इज द पीएल. नाउ पीएल दैट मींस प्रोपोजिशनल लॉजिक. Okay, PL indicate. So this condition, these things are understand propositional logic. So be careful. Suppose someone asking PL, what about you think about PL? That means propositional logic. Okay, so these things are very important. Okay, so for the negation, so if suppose you want to make a table for the negation, so now see, suppose I want to make a table for the negation. So again I am putting P, this one, true, true, false, false, and suppose I want to make a negation of P. So this is the false, false. This is the true and true. This is the truth table for the negation. Okay, this one. Is it clear up to this one? Anyone doubt? Truth table. भाई रिप्लाई कर दो. Anyone doubt up to this one? So today, what we are discussed today? So we are discussed lot of things. That means what is the propositional logic? Okay, don't be confused. This propositional logic, this is also called first order logic. Okay, don't be confused. First order logic, same as a propositional logic. Okay, so now what we have discussed? We have discussed about the implication. We are discussed about the bidirectional, biconditional. We are discussed about the negation. We are discussed about the disjunction. We are discussed about the conjunction. These four logical connectivities. So these are very important. Okay. Logical connectivity. Is it clear? So बेसिकली क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आपको. हाँ, देखो इसमें क्वेश्चंस किस टाइप्स के पूछे जाएंगे. इसमें आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया रहेगा और आपसे बोला जाएगा कि ये ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करके बताओ, या इससे इन्फरेंस क्या होगा. दैट मीन्स then the next class we are going to discuss about logical equivalence. Then we can discuss about inference, tautology, contradiction, contradiction, then contrapositive, converse, then inverse. Okay, then implication, inverse implications. So yes, these things we are going to discuss about the next class. So ये सब चीजें हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So up to this one, anyone doubt, please raise your hand, at least in the chat box. Right, no, 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 or yes, yes, yes. Okay, so how many people are today present? Please can you mark your attendance in a chat box? Each and everyone, please mark your attendance, otherwise I can put absent. Okay, those who are not marked here in the chat box, I can going to the put the absent. Okay, so be careful. Don't after message me sir I is present and I can forget to put in the chat box. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Is it done by everyone or not? 1 2. Okay, that is very important for you, attendance. And I'm going to last time repeat, please mark your attendance in a chat box, otherwise I'm going to put you absent. So no further entertain you. Because your CR is not present. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Everyone mark. Okay, so your class is over, you can leave.